coming.
Fucking wall coming at us, man. This shit is fucking crazy. Trying to sit out here as long as like.
Hey, I suggest we go to the
Oh, we right here. Oh, we right by the door.
That thing coming.
Inside. This shit.
Yeah.
Camera, but that thing's moving.
Look all the way down.
I know, all I did, dude. It's going fast.
Okay, shut it down. Yeah. Shut it down. Yeah, we shut it down. All right. Oh, I'm talking about compression, man.
Oh, shit.
Say they want all that crap in it.
Alright, second video. It's getting closer, man.
But it's about to come. There was some lightning over
It's about to hit
there.
our fucking wall.
It's over the buses right now.
It's over our buses right now. It's about to just
Oh, look how he's going over that building. I'm about to go inside in a minute.
I know.
Oh,
It is
Damn.
5:59 here right
That ain't
now.
no bullshit, man.
This bitch is about to hit. No, tomorrow.
Lightning, you see that?
Dude, hey, look at it down here.
Hey, look at this already down there.
Oh, yeah, dude. It's already coming over the yard. Yeah, dude.
This is just 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Everybody
Yeah, start backing up.
I'm gonna stay to the last minute.
I can't breathe no more.
Put my safety glasses on.
Oh, yeah. Good idea. They're going to help your lungs.
I know.
I was just thinking today I need to hear some man.
Take
a picture down here.
Ooh, look
Oh,
at this
yeah, look
thing
at that.
going across the fence.
Down here, dude. Listen to everybody yelling. Damn! Oh, shit.
Wow.
Oh, my God.
This is
I
crazy.
seen this shit on YouTube.
Oh, it's coming over us. It's over us.
Seen this shit on YouTube, man. I was like, yeah, that'll never
Wow. Shit. Yeah. This shit's moving quick. Better run, Chris.
happen. Look, here comes the blast.
Oh,
right on us.
there it is.
Oh, shit.
Ah. Girl, this shit just sucking in from the sunlight.
Where are you running to? They know where
This
to run.
got dark quick.
Here it comes.
Wow.
Oh, shit.
It ain't coming yet. Here it comes. Up here. Up. Yeah, it's time to go inside.